Newly appointed Reggae Girls head coach Vin Blaine has made changes to the coaching staff which worked on the dismissed coach Hubert Busby. Blaine made the disclosure during a JFF press conference via Zoom on Tuesday. Karen Madden was among reporters who quizzed the returning head coach.
Jamaica girls, the FIFA World Cup is high on Vin Blaine's agenda, and that sees him making changes to the coaching staff. Blaine told reporters on Tuesday he already met with his backroom staff and will meet with the players by next week.
There's some changes, not many. There are some changes, but as a coach, I have to work with people who I'm confident with, and also I can trust. And I've worked with most of these people before, so I'm comfortable with those that I've chosen.
And Blaine also defended himself against comments which were attributed to him 5 years ago regarding the sexuality of players.
I don't want to get into the details of what happened afterwards, but I had to clear myself with CONCACAF. My evidence that I never said those things, and because they had at the time FIFA and CONCACAF came up with a diversity program, and I am a FIFA instructor and a CONCACAF instructor. So how could I? Their thing was, how could I be saying these things if I'm with their program? So I had to send information to them, Karen. So that was cleared up, but I can tell you definitely that wasn't from me. The article was there. I gave an interview, but what was said some of the things that were said about that never came from my mouth.
The former director of football also expressed concern about the protracted absence of the local women's league.
I was always critical of the fact that we don't have a base where the likes of Khadija Shaw, Denisha Blackwood, Trudy Carter, all those came through, and we have none anymore. I think we had gone through we had sacrificed our development to get to the World Cup. I think we moved away from that. So I'm very, very concerned. My role now is to come back and try to have discussion with the stakeholders and how we can.
Blaine's first training camp will be in early February ahead of the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.